I am super proud. This is her very first time driving on an actual road. She is driving the bus. Alright, don't look at the camera, please look at the road.
So, I'm speeding.
I've told her to keep it around the 50 mark.
I'm doing 65.
so she can get used to the dimensions, but it's not that bad, is it, love?
It's alright a minute, but then I am on a big, wide motorway.
Well, that's why we thought we would do it. She wants to learn to drive it, so I've pulled in at the services just before Burnham-on-Sea. I said, look, you've only got motorway to drive, just take us to the next services.
Right, let's be honest. Who said stop?
Yeah, you volunteered it. I'm well happy.
Stu was like that.
Not often will you see this. Well, I'm sat in the passenger seat, living it up.
Living the dream.
That's quality.
That's alright, I mean, it's alright.
So if this is our very last recording that is found in the wreckage on this camera, we love you all. We won't see you in a bit.
Normality's resumed. I've pulled into a services safely. I've just, look, we got back on the road and we've looked ahead. Honestly thought he was coming towards us for a second there. Absolutely pantsed, didn't I, love? Oh, the concentration clearly got to me too much when I was driving. Wow. Yeah, it's a lot harder than it looks. But yeah.
You did it though, you were fine.
Oh dear. Yeah, so I had one of those moments where I was feeling confident and brave and I was like, come on, let's smash it, let's give it a go. I'm just glad I didn't smash the van up, so yeah, it was alright, wasn't it?
We're still in one piece and we're all alive.
Yeah, that's the main thing. So yeah, my plan is to try and do a little bit each time we travel so that I can get some more confidence. I've just got it in the back of my mind that from a safety perspective, it's good if I can drive the van as well. Initially I was like, oh no, it's just something else for me to do, you know. Yes. Inundated with chores already. It's fine. It was good experience. Ladies, if you are nervous about it, definitely just jump in and give it a try, and you won't be sorry, because I do feel really good about myself now. So we're heading to a site for the weekend. We found one with a swimming pool for the kids, so yeah, we were really excited. We've had to travel some time to go and get it. It's down in Looe in Cornwall, so when we get there we'll show you about the place.
So we are in windy Looe.
It's very windy.
But it's also very pretty.
Yes.
For what we've seen, we've just got here, so we're gonna go down to the town and go and have a look.
Should we get some grub or something?
Yeah, everyone's hungry, so we're gonna go get some food.
Okay. The man that always stops when he sees one of these shops.
No.
Look at the size on them again.
And donuts.
Yes, Amelia.
Can I have one of donuts?
Yeah, we'll get one on the way back. Shall we? We gotta go have some dinner first.
Dinner before sweeties.
Yeah, they can be for dinner.
Of course you can. So I was reading about Looe, and a lot of these little shops and alleyways were because of the smugglers. Did you know that?
Is a pub there, love? We can have food.
Oh, they're shipping. Yeah, we might try that. I just want to have a little walk around town first and see what's here. Oh, look, love. It's a shop. Old Guy's Rule. You fit in there.
Right.
Which way? That way? Or that way?
That way looks like it.
Oh, my goodness. I'm flying.
You're not on the snow now, love.
Oh, dear me.
Dog.
But if you look at the streets, they are really small, aren't they?
Oh, yeah.
I keep tripping over everything.
It's a standing.
Look at that. Smuggler's Cot restaurant. Now that looks a cool place to go. They do a carvery, except it's not open.
Peaky Blinders, love.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, that's got to be the place then, isn't it?
Peaky Blinders restaurant.
Ha, that's cool. We just started watching that again, haven't we?
Yeah.
No.
I got this.
Careful, it might go off.
Okay.
Oh look, it's the old Guildhall Museum,
I got this one.
That's also closed.
which is also closed. Everything we do is closed now.
Quite a lot closed here.
Hang on, what did you just say? No nukes. Why are my kids so wild?
Come on, guys.
Are we going there, man, Bet?
Food.
It's nice to see you sporting your hat.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know if you can see this, but these alleyways are teeny, teeny, teeny. I don't know how they're even getting cars down these streets.
Is that the Smuggler's Cave over there?
I don't know.
With the big arch over there?
Should we go have a look? So we found a banjo pier in Looe. It was the first, so many others have copied this around the world. Designed by Joseph Thomas and built by Daniel Taylor. So thanks very much, guys. You've done a splendid job. So to the right we've got the river. Don't ask me what that's called because I don't know. But that goes straight obviously into the sea. And there's the beach the other side. We were just saying actually, Looe is a very pretty place. However, a lot of the things at the minute seem to be shut, so it's probably because we're out of season. Or they just open up later on in the day. But I mean, we're called, what time is it now? It's got to be about 1, isn't it? Yeah. And we still haven't found any foodie places other than that one cafe. There you go. The one-handed 18th century turret clock on this tower was given to St Mary's Church, East Looe, by Edward Trelawney in 1737. It was restored by public effort and subscriptions in '96. What?
Clothes dryer. Like a clothes press, isn't it?
Wow.
It was only, I know because I've been on a school trip and I used it.
Oh, right, okay, thanks, Dexter. I never knew that. So I've just found this sign that says what Looe has to offer throughout the year, and in fairness there is plenty to do here. So March they've got St Piran's Day celebrations, they've got May Fair, they've got stuff going on in June, so Lugger Regatta, Polperro Festival and Looe Festival of Food and Drink. July they've got a festival by the sea and a carnival week. August they've got the Vintage Rally, September they've got the Walking Festival and the Music Festival, and then of course in December you've got your festival lights and your New Year's Eve fireworks. So there's absolutely loads to do. Sat here watching a bit of Peaky Blinders and the door goes.
Delivery! Yeah, man.
What we got, love?
Fish and chips.
So Dino's have delivered straight to the motorhome. Happy with that? They're nice sizes.
That's my pudding.
Pudding. Wow, pudding.
That's your cheesy chips.
Yeah, mate.
You just mate me again.
I keep saying it. It's my new phrase. Sorry.
Yeah. Right.
Thanks, love. Look at that.
This is so tiny.
Oh, that's delicious.
Mine's so tiny.
What's that?
Your fish.
Delicious. Thank you.
Now we have some sauce.
Oh, that's a nice bit of fish.
Give me a moment.
Oh, it smells delicious.
Mommy has.
Sorry guys, I'm going. I got some grub to be had. Bedtime. Look at these faces. Tamping. Guys, tomorrow's a new day. You get to go swimming. So this is us, all packed up for the night. I've done a bit of a clean, ready for the morning. Kids got their net up. Hi, Dax. You're supposed to be sleeping now, mind?
No.
Man but's chilling in bed.
Watching some Peaky Blinders.
Yeah, it's his worst job in the world, that is, making the bed. He absolutely hates it. We've even got one of these things. Oh, I don't know if I
It's a
can...
new memory foam.
Oh, yeah, that. It's quite thick. So hopefully we'll get some good night's sleep in there. So yeah, that's the rolling rucks at bedtime. We'll see you in a bit. We have a storm outside. Ooh. And it is blowing a gale. This motorhome has been rocking side to side all night long. Don't think any of us have had a wink of sleep. And when the rain has come down, it has just been so loud. Probably not helping us, all these trees right around the van, mind. Safe to say there's a fair few warnings down here. I think with the coast as well. Oh. It's yeah, definitely been a good one. So I'll show you. That awning made it. There's one just down there that's not been so fortunate. Time to go back in. Oh. So that was our little trip to Looe in Cornwall. The weather was, for the best part, alright, but the last day was an absolute nightmare. It's just been windy, rainy, and really hard work, isn't it?
It's the wind, yeah. It's... Well, we found as well, to be fair, there was a lot of the shops were closed. And, you know, just in town. And they were all saying opening February the 18th, February this, March the 1st.
Yeah.
Which was a bit surprising, because it was... I'd say a good half the shops were closed, weren't they?
Yeah, but even the holiday park we stayed on, it said open 12 months a year. But what we didn't realise was that didn't include the clubhouse or the food, did it?
Or the bar,
or the bar or anything.
Was closed.
We assumed that would be open. So if you are going to visit there, it's a lovely spot. But February the 18th is when they start everything. The kids enjoyed swimming though, didn't they?
Yes.
And it was great for, you know, a little last minute holiday before we go in the van full time. So I think we're just going to head back now. We've got lots to sort out. If you want to follow us on a more day-to-day basis, Instagram's the place to go. And we'll still be releasing our YouTube videos on a Sunday. So if you haven't already, we'd be really grateful if you'd hit subscribe and like and comment. Until next time, we'll see you in a bit.